Oh!
God, all the heroes are up here. It's awesome.
Oh,
Oh, Annie! Oh!
Enemy reinforcements! One of our people, I think.
Nope. Yeah. Oh, God. That was hilarious.
there's a motherfucker down there. Yep. Tad fishy. That was. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, oh, shit, little motherfucker. Oh. Yeah, got him.
The chaos. G-Dog.
Yeah, she moved the droid.
Unidentified elite reinforcements. Careful, squads.
Ah, baby,
Oh.
why'd you do
As long as they don't take it. Taking it.
baby? Who's the
How can they
baby?
take all of our heroes are up here? How can they take
Oh, Phoebe!
Phoebe! Phoebe! Well,
5,000 points. Bye-bye.
Guys, keep in mind, guys. Remember, Anakin used to tinker with droids.
show.
4,000 points. Bye-bye.
So did Lando.
Oh, yeah.
In the castle. Resistance under control.
Oh, let's have a
Hey,
picnic.
TK, I avenged you. I killed the picnic. I ended the picnic's life.
Thank you. Thank you.
We are having a picnic.
Then stop running down the stairs. Or whoever is Grievous, stop running down the stairs.
Ah, that's right. He's a general. He's a general. He can do what he wants.
Unidentified resistance commander on site.
Oh.
You're not even
Well,
letting
maybe
him come in the
maybe the
kitchen.
new hero will come in there.
Yeah. On my phone. Oh, my God. Oh, God. Oh, I hear Luke. Luke. Come on. Oh. Come on. Come here. Wait, wait.
Oh. Whenever I see Grievous come upstairs with all the lightsabers, I'm like, a friend or foe? Because all the colors are like... yeah. I think so.
Oh, Luke.
Oh!
I just...
One of the resistance leaders is here.
Let him come up! Stop flaming, Let him come up.
22. 22, let's go.
Ooh, it's full. Oh, it's BB. That's BB. Let's have a picnic as BB.
Yoda's in here.
Beginning castle lockdown.
Oh, BB.
Oh, BB's
killed
cooking.
him now.
BB's cooking.
I just killed him.
With a Knight of Ren fighting with us, we will surely be victorious.
Oh, you're to the left.
The castle will soon be ours.
Oh, Luke. What? Oh, Luke. What are you doing?
Send me an invite.
I'm gonna have me some fun. I'm gonna have me some fun.
That is a perfect.
Nice.
I think the highlight of that Hell's Kitchen was that first Anakin I choked out. I ran up the stairs.
Oh.
We have the castle and we have control. Glory to the First Order.
The
He ran
Anakin
up.
chase.
What do we get? A BB?
Luke.
A Luke?
Oh,
Anakin.
Got a bunch of guys.